All frameworks have their own ecosystem. So Django framework also has its own ecosystem. So far we have seen how to create a Django project and run the project on the server. Now we will see how to create an app in this Django project. Actually, this is also included in the ecosystem of Django framework. So to create an app, type python manage.py, space type start app, then type app name. In this case the name of our app is web app. Now hit the enter button to create the app. We see here that another directory called web app has been created. Actually, I like this process because it is very helpful in developing a large-scale web application. Because in a large-scale application many modules have to be developed. So, if we create each module as a separate app, then both the development process and project management become very easy. Now we need to register this newly created app in our project. So, to do that, open the settings.py file inside the CRM project directory. Go to the installed apps section in the settings.py file, and add the name of the app. In this case, the name of our app is web app. So, type web app inside the inverted commas. And make sure to add a comma at the end. In this way, if we want to create more apps or modules in this project, then we will keep adding those apps or modules in this installed apps section. Since Django is an ORM-based web framework, so it is capable of performing any database operation through its own engine. By default, Django is set to SQLite as the database. We will learn more about this as we develop the project. We are now running the command python manage.py migrate. This will create Django's default tables in the database. As we have seen, the default tables are created. Django provides admin panel by default. So to access the Django admin panel we need a superuser. So let's create a superuser. Type python manage.py create superuser, input username. In my case I am typing admin, then type email address. You can skip this if you want, but it is a good practice to provide the email address. Now enter the password for the superuser. Retype the same password again. Here an alert is shown. Don't be afraid. I have given a very simple password which is similar to username, that is why I am seeing this alert. Just type Y and hit enter. So now let's run the project by typing python manage.py run server. Okay, our server and project have run successfully. So let's take a look at the admin panel and see what's inside the admin panel. Just type /admin at the end of the URL and you will see the admin panel login window.